What's up, Connor? Hi, I'm Amy, and welcome to Cooking with Culinary, KTIG special cooking show.
And I'm Owen. Today we have chefs Patrick and Jackie from Culinary to help us. They will be showing us how to make French toast kebabs, so stay tuned for today's episode of Cooking with Culinary.
Alright, so let's get started with the recipe. So could y'all start by showing us the ingredients needed?
Okay, so the ingredients we need are eggs, milk, sugar, powdered sugar, some vanilla, syrup, and bread.
We also have butter, ground cinnamon, and then we have fresh blackberries and strawberries.
Okay.
So what's the first step?
So let's get started. So first we're going to crack 4 of our eggs. So, here you go. Pat, do you want to help me crack some eggs?
No problem.
You got it all over there.
So you said
I almost
4
slipped. I almost
Yep,
slipped.
we're putting in 4 eggs. Okay, so if you could whisk that, Pat.
No problem.
Here, I'll throw these away.
Thank you. Okay, so then we're going to add about 1 cup of milk into our mixture. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, Pat, do you want to mix that again?
I've got you. I've got you. Here, I'll just keep mixing. You
Yeah,
pour.
you just keep mixing. Then we're going to add 1/4 a cup of sugar. So 1/4 cup of that. After that, we will add a splash of vanilla.
Do y'all like French toast? Or?
I've never had it.
You've never had
it?
French
No,
toast?
never.
Oh my
As a
gosh.
chef and he's never had French toast.
It's a good, quick, easy breakfast.
I really like French toast. It's like
For
my
real,
favorite.
that's so good.
It's so good.
What do you add on your French toast?
Syrup.
Yeah, syrup, like powdered
Just syrup.
sugar.
Just syrup, yeah.
Okay, now we're going to cut up our pre-cut loaves of bread.
Cinnamon
cut-
swirl bread. Montgomery Bakehouse.
Okay. We're going to cut those into squares, cubes.
That was bad.
So,
Yeah, sure.
That was so bad.
So what are we doing right
we're cutting our bread into cubes.
All right.
Okay, get in there.
Should I just leave it in there or what?
No.
No.
Just
Let me get it.
hold it over it for a second.
Okay.
Let it drip a little bit.
Hold on. Oh, wait.
Why did you drop it?
Patrick, you did not mix those eggs
You
properly.
want to eat some more?
Here you go. You can put them on here.
Alright.
There you go.
Ooh.
Pat, do you want to put butter on the griddle?
Alright.
So Patrick's buttering our griddle so it doesn't stick together. Okay, there you go.
That's irrelevant.
Here. I don't know which one to go.
Oh, you do the last one.
All right.
Okay.
There we go.
Alright.
Okay.
All right.
Now we're gonna start putting them on our griddle. These are French
Somebody's gonna
toast.
kick
So,
that, right?
do you want to just put them on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get started. Put them on there.
Well, this is looking great. Make sure to stay tuned to see what's next right after this quick break.
Need some help?
Yeah.
I don't understand this.
Good job. Keep up the good work.
Wow, thank you. I couldn't do it without you. Hey, thanks for helping me pass.
Yeah, congrats on graduating.
I couldn't have done it without you.
Welcome back. So now that we had a little break, let's finish this recipe.
So we're flipping our French toast onto the other side that's uncooked right now. Oh, this one's kind of
I love that sound, like
the sizzle.
Yeah. Smells really good.
That's how you know it's gonna be good. There you go.
There we go. All right.
Okay, there you go. So we just gotta let the other side cook, and then we could start making our kebabs.
All right.
So,
How's everyone's day been?
bro, your best.
My day's been great, Patrick. How's your day been?
My day's been great, Owen. You know,
You know.
we spent all Christmas together, and I haven't really missed you, but you know,
Yeah.
it's okay.
It's okay.
All right, I'll
Okay,
go.
then.
I'm good. I'm excited to eat this. So I'm hungry.
You have your kebabs ready.
Yeah.
We're on.
I'm ready.
How much are we putting per kebab?
Just fill up like the kebab halfway.
Couldn't even notice.
Oh yeah, we pre-cut our strawberries.
So does Culinary have anything going on right now?
Jackie, do we?
Yes, we do. So for Valentine's on February the 7th in the bistro, we'll be holding a Valentine's lunch where you could bring a date or just your friends to hang out, and we'll be watching Lady and the Tramp and eating spaghetti and meatballs. So the tickets are $10, and there's going to be flyers posted around the school this week.
There's gonna be
yeah.
desserts, drinks, whole bunch of food. It's gonna be great.
Yeah, I'll be there.
I'll take Patrick.
Yeah, me and Owen already plan on going.
Yeah, I'll take Jackie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go. It's gonna be great.
Yeah, we can have a meet and greet, so if you want to meet
We
us.
can,
Exciting.
we can
Yeah, we'll
reenact
sign
the Lady and the
autographs.
Tramp scene when it comes up.
I was already
Who, you
planning
and
on-
Patrick?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
pretty much.
How's it looking?
We're gonna check them on the bottom, see if they're nice and toasty like at the top.
Still need about a little bit more.
Yeah, a little bit more time.
Okay.
Ew. But
Comment
then
down
there's-
below who's your favorite person you've
Who's your
ever
favorite
seen.
host?
Yeah.
You've ever seen.
Ever.
Wait, what?
Who's the favorite person you've ever seen? Ever.
Ever seen? Yeah, who's your celebrity crush?
Owen.
Owen, you go
I
first.
don't really have one.
Really?
Oh.
I don't.
He doesn't want to say
Yeah,
Henry
he just,
Cavill.
he did,
Yeah.
We know it's Henry Cavill.
We know it's Henry Cavill, Owen.
For real.
But same though. What about you, Jackie?
We've seen your Instagram, man. Just in data.
Okay. Hold on, wait a second.
What's yours?
Mine? Pedro Pascal, man.
Okay.
What's your? Oh, I have a picture of Pascal. What's your one cut out?
Yours.
Yeah.
Ariana Grande.
Brother. Yeah, she's with SpongeBob
She's with
now.
SpongeBob. She's with
What? She's with SpongeBob?
She's with SpongeBob.
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
We're all set.
Okay, we're all
All right,
ready.
ready.
Did you turn this off?
Nope.
There you go.
All right.
Okay, guys. Are you ready to make our kebabs?
Yeah.
Okay, bring it in the middle.
Oh, and you want a stick?
Yes.
Everyone gets a stick. There you go. Take your stick. Okay, so we'll show you first. So first you're gonna get a French toast.
All the way. And then you're just gonna alternate between the strawberries and the blackberries.
There you
Yeah, some mango.
go. What? Okay. Why are you doing it that way?
What?
Wait, which way? Like this
Either
or like
way.
this?
Everyone's kebab looks a little special. So
A
yeah,
little
do it to
special.
your heart's content,
Do
really.
whatever your heart tells you to
Oh,
do.
look, that's gooey inside. That looks like beautiful.
Okay, and then we're gonna grab our syrup in our syrup bottle.
All right. Hold on. I got this. Bro, I've got this. I got this. I got this. I got this.
You got this?
I got this. Is it gonna fall out? No. Okay. Oh shoot.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna grab our powdered sugar. We're just gonna get like a pinch of that.
Beautiful.
There you go. One more on this side. A little heavy on the There you go, guys. And our kebabs are ready.
3.
So now
your
let's
cuts,
plate and
that's
taste
mine.
this.
Okay. Let's taste them. Okay.
All right.
Okay, let's try these.
Fire!
That's good.
Nice, pretty good.
Good bread.
Man, this is so awkward.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
No.
Your thoughts, Patrick?
All right, we're gonna take one more quick break. We'll be right back.
Hey, you heard we have to start wearing those IDs now?
Yeah, this is so dumb. I'm not wearing those.
Well, it's just so the staff can identify who you are, man.
Oh.
Where's your IDs?
Oh, I don't have one.
Scan the QR code.
All right, so now let's play a game. We will be doing a skewer relay race. We will split off into 2 teams, and each player will take turns transferring fruit from one skewer to the next. If you drop the fruit, you have to start over. Whoever reaches the end of the room first wins. And we will be doing the cinnamon challenge for the losers. So,
Okay.
All right,
we can
so
go.
me and
excited.
Owen are a team. And
y'all
Me
too.
and Pat.
We got this.
All right, let's-
We got this.
All right.
let's grab.
2, 1, go.
Uh,
I don't know how we're doing this. Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay, and then I.
It sometimes randomly falls out.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
See, this is what I was saying about stabbing. It's gonna
What
be
did I
like
do?
super easy. Like,
Okay.
yeah. No, no, no.
No, let's start over.
We lost. We lost.
We
There,
lost.
there,
Okay.
there. Locked in, locked in.
We
Locked
lost.
in.
No.
okay.
No, we
No,
done. We done. We
We're
talked.
done.
No, you got this, guys.
We're done.
You
We're
got this. You got this.
Wait, we're on.
We
We
tried.
won.
Should we do another round? Like a,
Boom.
Do we want to do like best of 3? Because that was really fast.
No, guys, it's fun.
Izzy, you're the host.
Best of 3.
That's the third.
Best
Yeah,
of
let's
3.
do best of 3.
All
Okay.
right,
I won
we're
the
doing
first
best of
round.
3, 2, 1, go.
You're on. And camera 2.
Go. Go, 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 go.
Go, go.
Go, go, go. Go. We have. Go, we have. Go, go, go.
Go. Last round. Last pick.
No, no.
Done. Yes.
No. Okay.
We did it.
Cinnamon challenge. No.
Okay.
Cinnamon challenge.
All right. Do it. Okay.
Okay.
Count you down.
I think we should.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, yeah, we gotta
Let me-
lock in.
Let me lock in,
Yeah,
yeah.
gotta.
Yeah,
Wanna
so what
go
do you do when
3?
it's in your mouth? You just
have to-
swallow
you have
it
to
or
try
what?
to try and
swallow it.
But it's
Okay.
you're gonna cough it up.
Oh, God. This is gonna go like everywhere.
Let's go
This is gonna go
3,
over.
2, 1, go, and leave.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
You already locked in?
Yeah. Let's do it.
3.
No, wait, I'm not like this. I'm gonna laugh. I'm gonna laugh. I'm gonna laugh. Okay.
I'm so nervous.
Me too.
The
I'm
cinnamon.
nervous too.
Why am I?
Okay.
3,
3,
2, 1, go.
It's so bad. Oh my god.
How y'all doing?
Oh. Oh. The outro.
All right, read it, Owen.
Well, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the show. Make sure to stay tuned to KTIG YouTube channel for another episode of Cooking with Culinary coming soon. And remember, anyone can cook, just follow the recipe.